So Vivor ended up gifting me this electric pizza oven. Now, this pizza oven is a 12-inch pizza oven. Let me show you some of the features about this. This side, you do have an on and off button. Now, once you turn that button on, this light will light up. Now, you do have two different dials here. One is going to control the time on this. And you could set this for up to an hour. I don't think you're going to need that, but it does go up to an hour. Now, this dial will go from 77 degrees to 572 degrees. So you'll be getting a lot of heat off this puppy. Now, the pizza maker itself is quite unique, if you ask me. So what you would do is just pull this out, and then you could apply your pizza right to this rack here. All you would have to do is slide it right back in and cook your pizza. It also has a tray underneath the pizza part, and basically that is a tray to catch all of the stuff from your pizza. Well, I have only used this with pre-made pizzas, but it did a phenomenal job cooking it. You're looking for a 12-inch electric pizza oven, you may want to consider this one.